I wanted to take a few minutes here and show you guys how to download or copy a page from W3 Schools, copy the code rather. So you'll notice that I've placed these links of various examples from W3 Schools to use in this week's assignment. One of the things I want you to do is download this template or copy the code and use that as your template for this week's assignment. I'm going to want you to make changes and make it your own, but what you'll need to do, and particularly with these links because of security settings, you'll want to right click on the link, and if I can get my little mouse to work right, and open in a new tab. Now here we have a website that's divvied out. You'll notice that this is an inline style sheet, and for now it's okay to work with this. Normally for your other assignments in your final project I will want you to use a linked style sheet, but what you want to do is you go to your Notepad++, open it up, and you'll want to create two different pages for the at least one page to copy this code in. So I've opened up my my Notepad++. I'm going back, and I'm just going to simply paste down here, and scroll down, and then hit my Control-C. Go back to my Note+, and type that in there. And of course I want to file, save as always, and I want to make sure I save it as an HTML document, and then place that in my assignments 4 folder. Go up one here, get to where I need to be. There we are. And I'll create a folder by right-clicking in a blank area and call that folder and just name it alright. Go in there. Now because I've got a one-page website at this point, I want to make sure I name that page index.html. That way the web server will open that first when it's directed to that particular directory on the web server. So we've got that, we've saved it. So now we can go ahead and start making changes to this. As you can see here, you've got your 4 different areas. You got your header, and the background color is black, and then we have another color of white. Text alignment is center, and we got a padding of 10. So if we go to our web browser and open up this file, I'm just going to, I'll do it this way. Here we'll open up and look for assignment 4 and double click on the index. You'll notice that this is taking up the whole page here, and that's okay. I'll show you how to reduce the margins here in a bit. But now what I can do is I can start changing this page and putting in additional information if I want to. Now let's say this is my first page. Over here are my 3 links in my nav section. They don't have any links in them yet, but they're going to. So we'll cover that in just a minute. So let's go back to the Notepad, and instead of having a background color of black, let's have a background color of blue, and we'll save that, and the text will still align center. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and go back to my web page and just hit the refresh, and you notice that I have a blue. My text is still white because I didn't change that color. I'm going to go over to my nav section here now, And I'm going to open up my nav section in the notepad. And you'll notice that it's got a background color of EEEE. Well, you can use the hex if you want, but I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to change it to blue one more time. And then I'll save that, go back and refresh. And now I have that blue. Or, you know, I'll even do one better. Let's go back to my notepad and change it to red. So it is saved. Go back and refresh one more time. Now we have a red. And I'm going to go down to my footer again, and I'm going to make that blue. So I will go in, I will go down to my footer section, and I will change that to blue. So we'll be making edits in the style area of the header throughout this assignment. When I want you to add something, you can add it in here. And it will immediately, once you save it, it will immediately change on the view of the website. So we'll stop for right now on this video, and when we come back, I'm going to get into the body, which is this section here, and how best you can work with that.